As the end of year draws near, we would like to take this opportunity to thank homeowners for an amazing year. We are proud and honored to work with local celebrities and influencers such as Wang Lei, Jana, Jasper, Fandi, and Wendy, etc. We greatly appreciate the trust and confidence each of you have in us. The success of Renopedia is based on the relationship we have built over the years, and we wouldn't be where we are without all of you. At Renopedia, we are devoted to core values of integrity, excellence, reliability, commitment, and respect. Let us assure you that Renopedia will serve you with sincerity and respect for many years to come. Lastly, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to all my employees. Our success is due to both the commitment and talent of our dedicated staffs. May the coming year be filled with joy, love, and success. I wish you all a happy new year with your friends and family. Guys, Happy New Year!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.